What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Buddy Love, man, coming right back at you with another more t-shirt YouTubes. So today I'm going to be making a shirt dedicated to all the wanderers and all the wanderers. Okay? You're probably looking at me like, what? Wanderer? What's a wanderer? Well, a wanderer is someone that's filled with admiration and awe. And you ask, well, what is a wanderer? Well, a wanderer is a person that travels aimlessly. If you mix those two together, you get a pretty awesome human. So that's the kind of shirt I'm making today. I hope you guys like it. Make sure you smash that thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you can get updates whenever I drop a video, so you can be ahead of the curve and knowing whenever I drop new apparel on my website. The link for all my shirts are in the description. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching this video. Let's get it. Alright, so first things first, we're just gonna make a text. So let's just type something out. Use all caps. So this is what I'm gonna start with, and we're gonna go straight into hyperspeed so you can see the finished product. Let's go. Alright, so this is pretty much what it's gonna look like. Boom. That's good to go. Now that we have the image that we want on our shirt, we're gonna go ahead and import it to our software so that we can cut it out. Cut it out. So boom, there it is. Wander. Alright, so let's go. Let's make this about 9.5. I'm cool with this size. Actually, am I cool with this size? I want to stretch it here. I want to stretch it. Yeah, I'm good with that. Alright, so now we're almost ready. Alright, now we're ready to get this thing cut out. But first, we have to get our vinyl ready. So let's do that. 3x10, let's get it. Now that the image is done and ready to get cut, all I have to do is just do what I've already done. So yep, so I'm gonna go ahead and put this on the cutter so we can get this on our shirt. Let's get it. Alright, so while this last vinyl gets cut, the next process we're going to step right into is the weeding process. After the weeding process is the printing process, the heat press process. Alright, so without further ado, man, let's get it. This thing look like it's done. We're about to go ahead and weed it, and then we're going to go ahead and press it on a black shirt and a white shirt. I went ahead and made a white one and a black one so that you have options for you guys, because every time I make one, somebody always asks for the other. Okay, so let's get it. Alright, so finish the weeding process. Let's jump right into the heat press process. Let's get it. First things first, we're gonna go ahead and knock out this black t-shirt as soon as we get hot enough. Alright, so we're getting hot. You guys see it? It looks good. There it is. Go ahead and order your shirt now. there you have it, guys. Both of the shirts are made. Both of the shirts are available for purchase, and these are amazing shirts. Wear them wherever you go, wherever you wander, wherever you want. All right, so make sure you hit that thumbs up, subscribe, share this video, man. Share this video with your family, share this video with your friends, and share this video with everybody. All right, y'all. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Until next time on Dragon Ball Z. It's Buddy Love, man. Positive vibes only. I'm out.
Go ahead, subscribe for your boy. You already know.